Hi, my name is Shabnam Weber and I'm the president of the Tea and Herbal Association of Canada. I just got my very own VIVA Recharge mug and I'm so excited to show you how to make the perfect cup of iced coffee. This mug is going to become your go-to for absolutely everything. So, once again, remember to open up your lid completely, or the opening rather. I'm going to pull out the two chambers. And I'm going to use, again, a little bit more coffee. So a generous tablespoon. And that bottom line is for all of your cold beverages, coffee or tea. I'm just going to pour up to that line. And I'm just going to let this sit. Just let it infuse and get nice and strong. Once I'm ready to go, remember what I said to you when you made your hot coffee, is that you're gonna get resistance. There we go. Nice and tight. I'm now going to fill up the upper chamber with my ice cubes. Remember that if you want to sweeten your coffee, doing it hot is the best time to do it at. So I would put my sweetener in, or my milk even, at this stage before I added in my ice cubes. Twist the lid close, nice and tight. Close up. Make sure this is nice and tight because you really don't want this to splash all over you. And shake. And that's how quickly and easily you're going to make yourself a cup of iced coffee.